that we're in WeVideo, let's look at how to get started on our first assignment. So you'll notice you have choices up here, such as videos, recordings, GIFs, podcasts. They have some built-in templates that we probably will not ever use, but you can always look at those on your own time because you have access to this all the time. We're going to click Create a New Video. You can see you have the audio track, video 1, video 2 are the defaults. If you ever need to add more tracks down here at the bottom, there is a plus sign that lets you add either another video or another audio track, whatever you might need. Over here, we have our stock media. This is over 1 million clips that come provided free in WeVideo, and you can click the down arrow, remember, and choose which type you need. My Media, you will see this add button where you can now add the footage that you're going to upload from your drive. So you will click add and you will go down here to your drive and you will locate the footage on your drive. So you will have to scroll through until you see your Tech 2 folder, and you will want to open that up and pull in your videos from that folder. All you would have to do is double click on it and click select and it will upload. I have some videos under shared that I put in last year, and I will be referring to those because they're already there. And project media is also where I can post things for certain projects for students. So on our project right now, the first thing we're going to do is name it. So come up here to where it says My Video. And we are going to name this camera shots 1 through 6. And you're going to put your last name and your first name. It's very important that you put your last name because I search through the videos by last name. So if your name is not on there, it won't find your video. And then if you are second hour on Friday, you would put a 2F, or you can put second hour Friday. That's fine also. And you would click OK. The first thing we're going to do is go to this third tab that says text. It has an A, so it looks like you're writing something. And we will use the motion text first. We are going to go down to a 2-line slide that has some color and looks more like a big title page kind of look. So a lot of these bigger ones closer to the bottom would work. I'm going to go ahead and click one time to see what it looks like over on this right-hand side. So if I like that one, I'm going to pull that down, and actually we're going to go to video 2, and notice I'm bringing it all the way to where it's at 0, 0, 0 all the way across on the time. It's going to look like that. And now to edit it, I can either double click right on this little square, or I can point to the 3 lines and go to the pencil. Now it gives me 2 boxes, which is each separate line in the text. And I'm going to put camera shots 1 through 6. And on this one, I'm going to put my name. You'll put your first and last name, and I'll spell out my class, or you could put 2F again. If you want to change the font, those choices are down here on both of those. It is nice if the fonts are the same, please, on both of those. If you really need to adjust the font size, you change to manual, and you can make the font slightly smaller or bigger, which if you had a very long title, you might have to adjust that so that it would fit correctly. If I don't like these 2 colors, I can come up here and change to a different color. If you have white text, you want to keep that background dark. So I'll just switch to a blue and keep my white text and click Save Changes. That's the first step from what we did this week in class. So go ahead and do that step and come back to our next video.